Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. Today, we will be today. It is February. First of all, happy February. May we have a prosperous, enlightened, just not focusing on negativity. So we're focused on the positivity, abundant, living our best, happy, joyous life in the Lord month. Okay? Can we do that? We can do that. No matter what's going on around us, focus ahead. Stay in your lane. Today, we will be closing out our last paycheck of January so we can move on to some February money. Okay? We got to close that out. So if you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back because you're already part of the what? Grateful gang. Grateful gang. Grateful gang, grateful gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that subscribe button. Thank you in advance. So let's get into our closeout, y'all. Let's get into our closeout. So we're going to start around here because it's the last time we went ahead and deposited some money into an account. And so here's our $1 withdrawal for Old Navy. Navy Federal. If you're new here, what we're doing right now is we're closing out the budget, and all I do is I go through my transactions in my bank, and then I go through my spreadsheet, which is found on my Ko-Fi shop. If you enjoy the spreadsheet and you want to get it for yourself, it's not super expensive. Check it on out. However, I go through my spreadsheet and I mark everything in green that is cleared. And the goal here is that everything is in green and the bank account is back down to zero until our next paycheck, which I believe this month will be, let's check the sheet. Did we fill it in? Yes, I think we did. Okay, a lot of things in my way. Please hold. This next month we have 2/7. So is that this Friday? I think it is. This Friday. So we're getting another paycheck on Friday. We're grateful. We're grateful. Okay. So we need to clear this all up and out. We have a lot of things already green, but like I was saying, let's get back to the plan. $1 came out of Navy Federal right here. So we're gonna go ahead and mark that in our green or your color of choice. If you have this, use whatever you're using. Next, we have $11.63. So what is that for? All the things. Oh, that dollar is not for that. That dollar is for treat yourself. Wrong again. This is the Navy Federal dollar. It still came out. So it's fine. It's right there. However, we did have a deposit of $547 for the HOA. So let me put in here that we transferred over some money. Why does that say 561? What is that? Oh, that was the mortgage. Plus 547. So in this note, what just happened? What y'all over here doing? Oh, nothing happened, Tara. Redo. I play too much. Okay. Is that right? Yes. So 547 was put in for my HOA money. Now it's a little bit more because normally my HOA is like 544 or 542, but there was a late fee, boo me, because I forgot. And then there was like some other processing fee. But at that time, I was like, girl, we don't need to have this linger anymore. So I paid for the month, and then here's the dollar. Okay, we got to talk about this $10 Cashapp. So this $10 Cashapp, I'm going to put it in here and I'm going to leave a note and y'all going to know. So this $10, and I'm going to try to hold it together when I say this because, okay, wait. This $10 is from Tonja at the Nightlife. And I really want, what a box side. Am I not typing? This $10 is from Tonja at the Nightlife, y'all. And I want to give a shout out to Tonja because Tonja sent me $10 and said to me, she sent a Cash App to me and she goes, use this $10 to start your escrow savings fund. Now, a lot of people gave me some amazing advice, did all the things, and I am so appreciative of you all. Y'all watched the video, so y'all ran it up anyway, so that was amazing. But she went another above and beyond and sent me $10 to start the fund. Girl, you did not have to do that, but I'm so grateful that you did. So you know this money about to go, okay? It's about to go to the escrow fund. So right now I'm gonna put it under other because we don't have escrow in here yet, but I'm also gonna leave a note here. Where's my notes? That says escrow. I will leave Tonja's starter, escrow fund starter. I'm going to leave Tonja's information down below. Check her out. She's such a sweetheart. She's in the nightlife. She does a lot of savings challenges. There's a time she was doing juicing. I don't know if she's bringing that back. She does budgeting. She's so supportive of other people in the community. She's even dropped me like a $5, like the super chat things. So just check her out. She's a good soul. So yeah, thank you so much, Tonja. It was not expected at all. So let me go ahead and transfer over that $10 now while it's still on the thought process. Over here from Tara's Major Keys, we're going over, I've already created it, y'all, an escrow fund. There's $16 in there already. So we're going to put $10 here and we're going to put that. This is for our escrow starter in 2025. Thank you again, Tonja. From here to here, transfer success. Amen. Okay. So now the next thing that we're looking at is $233.50, and that's going to be for the second half of the car payment. Right there is the first half, and here's the rest. So $233.50. Let's go ahead and add our green. That cleared. Here goes the thing from whoever they pull it from, but $546.25. And so that's how I put a little bit extra in there, which is fine. So the HOA here, I say for the HOA, but I'm going to go ahead and add that money came out of HOA as well. I paid my HOA up for the year because I don't need another thing added to my mortgage. Okay. And it's $44 a month. It's not crazy. All they do is really keep up the front lawns. And then mortgage came out. Mortgage, I will miss this rate so much because there will be a video coming about what I'm doing with the escrow situation shortly as well. So anyone waiting, it's coming. So $1,183.62, that was the mortgage, and it also came out. Boom. I didn't make it green. Why did I say boom? There it is. There it is. I'm going to take this number out the buffer just so we can have a visual. And then we have capital one of $43.20. That is for our second half of it's our security equipment portion. And we're going to mark that off. 4 cents interest. Come on, interest. We're taking all the money. Wait a minute. Copy, paste, format only, please, because I look weird. Okay. And so we're going to put that into side hustle miscellaneous. That's more of a miscellaneous, our 4 cents of interest. So we have 1004, and then we have the withdrawal that I literally just did. So we have $30.13. What is not green? Because we still have $70 in here. There it is. I need to move the gym money. So the gym money, it's February now. She actually didn't have class, or else I would have Zelled her the money today. And we're not having class on Monday. So I'm just going to go ahead and move this money over to Gym Vibes until I get back to Zumba. And that will be for my February Zumba money. And I'll just move it back and Zell it to her when we get back to class. So we're going from Tara Major Keys to Zumba. I'm still typing those things in, y'all. I forgot again, it's habits. One-time transfer, success, boom. Okay, now we match. So we have 30, and we're going to make that green so that we make sense out here in these streets. So we have $30.13 left in the balance. $30.13 left in the balance, and that's exactly what we have in the bank. So everything, let's just double check. Everything that has money in it, has a money spot, and it is green. So we paid all our bills off this check, and we still have $30.13 left. We are excited for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move this. Now, let me stop and think about it. Let me think about it. Please hold, y'all. Okay, y'all. So after some careful consideration, I think what we're going to end up doing with this $30.13 is I'm going to put $20 to emergency fund because y'all know we about to Have to do a lot with that emergency fund. Why are we so big? So we're going to transfer $20 to the emergency fund from here to emergency fund. Why is that not called something else? Like, that's not fun to say. I got to think of a better name for the emergency fund. That's just boo. That's just boo. Tomatoes, boo. Okay, tomato. $20. Okay, emergency fund is getting $20. Bam. From Tara to emergency fund transfer. We know we're going to need it, baby. Success. $10.13 is actually going to go to all the things because there are a few, it's February and I have things to buy and I want to buy some cute Valentine's Day stuff and they're probably going to get pulled from either all the things or giving. So I want to put it in all the things. This extra little money that we have been able to save, $10.04 is going to all the things. And this tear to all the things. Success. So now we're not 9 cents. Rude. I didn't want to do that. Okay, I'm going to transfer over the 9 cents to the emergency fund. That's fine. Every little bit counts. I didn't mean to leave that out there. Come on, 9 cents. $0.09. Zero. Can we be a zero? Success. Zero. Okay. So now we're at a zero-based budget, and I didn't make myself zero over here as well. So all the things. No, actually, emergency fund. Where's the emergency fund? Emergency fund got an additional $20. Make this a formula. Start with an equal. Add $20 and I don't even know, 9 cents? Is that what I did? And then I must have just added 4 cents instead to, what did I do? Let me not lie. What did I move over to all the things? Sometimes you just have to do the right thing and get it right. All the things got $10.04. Yeah, $10. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyway, so all the things got an additional $10. Let me make this a formula. So we're going to equals 11 plus $10.04. And now we're at zero. Okay, and now we have zero-based budget, you guys. Money hasn't moved where it needs to go. There's nothing in that account. There's nothing that should come out of the account. Am I worried? No, we're getting paid on Friday, and there's nothing that should be coming up to come out of this account at this time. And I'll be doing my February budget, so at that time I'll be able to see whether or not we actually do have something come out. And I do have like overage coverage with my bank, so they give me a couple days to move money back in if something does happen to pop up and they're like, hey, you need to put money back in here, and they don't charge me a fee, which I truly appreciate. But you guys, we did it. We have closed out January. You're out of here. You're out of here, January. I loved you. I was present and I felt every bit of January. So every bit of January. And y'all will hear more about that in my reset for February. We'll talk about January then. This is not the place nor the time. But let me know, what were you doing while you were watching this video? What did you get done today? Are you accomplishing anything? Did you do your budget? Did you close out your paycheck? Were you tracking expenses? Let your girl know down below. How was January for you? All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super, super grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Okay. Love you. Mean it. Bye. Faith over fear, baby. Faith over fear.